This was going to be a nice video about installing SC18, but I lost most of the footage, all of it, just got the photos, so gotta do with what we have. This is my old Geno K4 thing. It didn't work very well, or I didn't like it, so replacing it with the real water softener and not electric magic stuff. So this is the SC18 out of the box. See the hoses, the connector. $190mm, just like most others Grünbeck connectors, I believe. And you can see it has a mixing valve in the middle and in and out valves on right and left. Here is the input where the water comes in. It has a little filler inside. This is the output side of the connector, and it has a little plastic mixing thing. It doesn't mix very well though, because when you test the water for hardness it shows different values all the time. And these are the plastic fittings. So this is how it looks when you take it out of the box. It has two plastic hoses coming out of the back and a little sticker on the screen. It's not a touch screen though. This is the salt container, and the water will be at the very bottom. You wouldn't actually see the water when you open it. And it comes with a manual and the water hardness testing kit and a device number. SC18 is so far the smallest cylinder in my basement. This is how the K4 looks from the back. You can see the input valve is clogged with some blue stuff. And this is how SC18 looks from the back with the cover taken off. This is how it looks installed. And this is the main screen, the installation steps. And this is when it's all done. This is the final look.